you enjoy funny food reviews and much, much more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and never miss out on another video. Let's get to the business. Alright, y'all, so today we trying the Voodoo chicken tenders from Popeyes. So it's got this sauce on it and they got some chives and some other stuff, man. Let's just get straight to it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this joint out, man, let y'all see what's cracking. So here goes the tenders. Y'all can see that real quick. Let's go ahead and pull these joints out. A little closer look with the chives and stuff on it. Let's see how it's gonna taste here in a second. And oh, I had to get some fries. They really didn't make it home because I was eating them in the car, you feel me? Old biscuit. If I got to get honey for them, I was tripping. I think I got a couple extra sauces too, you know me. I'm the king of the sauces, you feel me? Sweet heat. Had to get some jalapenos too, man. Can't go wrong with these. You feel me? Don't roll off. Woo! Let's get to it though, man. First things first, let's try the tender with the little Voodoo sweet, spicy chili sauce or whatever. Not really that spicy, but that's cool. Let's dip some of this in some of this Mardi Gras mustard, man. You cannot go wrong with that. A little barbecue. I just got a cool little, like a little 5-piece. It was about $8 though for a 5-piece, man. You feel me? You know I had to get the extra fries and the drink. Lemonade. Let's give this another taste just to see if we got any heat. It got a cool little Asian zing type of flavor, really. It's all good though. I can rock with these. So, I can rock with these like I said, man. They're cool. I'm still waiting on y'all to bring them chicken sandwiches back. This right here, it's gonna make this so much better. A little ketchup on these fries, man. A little more ketchup. Oh shoot! Almost had an accident right there. The hot sauce on there, man. Can't go wrong with hot sauce. Can't go wrong with hot sauce. So, I'm gonna rate these on that sauce. It really wasn't special to me. I'm gonna go with a 7. Just because I like the chicken tenders. But you know, I ain't gonna hold y'all too much longer, man. I'm gonna get out here. I finished enjoying my lunch. Just wanted to share this with y'all real quick. I do recommend trying them. It's something worth trying once. You know what I'm saying? Because I like trying food. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos. Drop a comment down below, please. Leave some thumbs up. And I'll be back with more videos. I'm out of here.